Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by building one portal frame on the roof now. Place obsidian in a 4x5 rectangle, leaving corners optional to save blocks. Once placed, light it with flint and steel so the portal activates. This tests the coordinates and confirms the frame is valid. Make sure the roof surface is flat and you have at least 2 blocks of vertical clearance above the portal so mobs can't interfere. If you're in survival, secure a safe edge with temporary blocks to avoid. Once done with your roof portal, step through and note the exact nether coordinates. You need the X and Z to be 1/8 of the overworld values. Then, return and travel in the nether to that calculated spot, clearing lava and building a safe platform if necessary. Place a new obsidian frame there and light it. This forces the pair to link directly. Make sure to stand back when it activates so you confirm where it portals you without being caught by surprise. You finish by repeatedly testing travel. Go from the roof portal to the nether portal and back, watching coordinates and landing positions to verify consistency. If the portals mislink, move the nether frame 1 or 2 blocks and relight. Nether portal linking prefers the nearest portal in its chunk, so small shifts resolve conflicts. Finally, make a safe return route and leave markers. If something goes wrong, retrace coordinates and rebuild the nether frame. This quick fix usually restores a proper link.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.